Have you ever wondered how the iconic taste of Pepsi comes to life? From its crisp, refreshing flavor to innovative sustainability efforts, there's a lot that goes into every bottle. In this video, we'll explore the journey of how Pepsi is made, from sourcing ingredients to cutting-edge production techniques and eco-friendly packaging. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind a soda that has brought people together for generations. Pepsi isn't just a beverage. It's an essential part of everyday life for millions around the world. Known for its unique blend of sweetness and citrus, Pepsi has become more than just a drink. It's a cultural icon. It's the drink you grab at a party, the refreshment you share with friends, and the one you reach for when you need that extra burst of energy. But behind every bottle lies a fascinating story of innovation, sustainability, and quality control. Pepsi has been around for over 120 years, yet it's not just its long-standing history that makes it special. From its humble beginnings as a health tonic to its current position as a global leader in the beverage industry, Pepsi has adapted and evolved with the times. In today's world, it's no longer just about satisfying thirst. It's about creating a product that delivers great taste while reducing its environmental impact. PepsiCo, the parent company, has invested heavily in both technology and sustainability to make sure their products meet the growing demands of the modern world, all while staying true to their commitment to quality. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the production process behind Pepsi, from the fields where ingredients are sourced to the factories where the magic happens. We'll explore how Pepsi is made, why it tastes the way it does, and the steps the company is taking to keep it sustainable for the future. PepsiCo faces a unique set of challenges in today's fast-pacing, environmentally conscious world. One of the biggest hurdles is managing the increasing global demand for Pepsi while simultaneously improving sustainability. It's not just about producing a drink that's loved by millions, it's about reducing the environmental footprint that comes with large-scale production. From the moment raw materials are sourced to the final packaging on store shelves, every step of the process presents an opportunity to improve efficiency and reduce waste. One of the most significant issues PepsiCo deals with is packaging. Plastic waste is a major concern for the beverage industry, and with the rising demand for single-serve bottles, it's become even more critical to find eco-friendly alternatives. PepsiCo, like many other global companies, has been working hard to address this. They have committed to increasing the use of recyclable materials in their packaging and have made significant strides toward producing more sustainable bottles. But it's not just about packaging. The company also faces pressure to reduce its carbon footprint and water usage in production. In some areas, water scarcity is a growing concern, and as a beverage company, PepsiCo must take responsibility for its water usage. The company has made a pledge to improve water efficiency in its production plants, with goals to replenish the water it uses back to local communities. Pepsi's flavor is one of the most distinctive elements that contribute to its global success. What makes Pepsi's taste so special? The recipe, which has been perfected over decades, combines a mix of natural flavors, sweeteners, and carbonated water in precise proportions. This combination creates the perfect balance of sweetness, acidity, and carbonation that refreshes consumers across the world. It's a taste that's instantly recognizable, and it has become a go-to drink for many. What's fascinating is that, despite its widespread popularity, Pepsi manages to maintain consistency in taste regardless of where it's produced. Whether you're sipping a can in New York, Tokyo, or Paris, Pepsi tastes the same. This consistency is achieved through a combination of exacting quality controls and sophisticated production techniques. Every batch is monitored closely to ensure stringent standards for flavor, carbonation, and freshness. PepsiCo is not only focused on the drink itself, but also on the packaging that holds it. Over the years, the company has pioneered several initiatives aimed at reducing the environmental impact of its packaging materials. For example, the company has started using recycled plastic in many of its bottles, helping reduce the beginning for virgin plastic. But this is just the beginning. Glass has made a comeback as a sustainable packaging material. While it is heavier and more fragile than plastic, glass bottles are reusable and recyclable. PepsiCo's move toward refillable glass bottles is a nod to its history, and it helps minimize plastic waste, encouraging customers to be more responsible with their consumption. The compact design of Pepsi cans offers portability and ease of storage, which makes them ideal for on-the-go consumption. Cans, while still made of aluminum, are more easily recycled compared to plastic bottles. This makes them a more sustainable option when compared to single-use plastic. In the world of manufacturing, automation has revolutionized the way products are made, and PepsiCo has embraced this technology in its factories. Today, Pepsi's production lines are highly automated, with robots performing tasks that were once done manually. From aligning bottles to filling, capping, and packaging, robotics are integral to the production process. These machines can work at speeds far beyond human capabilities, reducing the chance for error and increasing production efficiency. Robotic systems also allow for greater precision, ensuring that each bottle is filled to the exact level and that no product is wasted. The secret syrup that forms the heart of Pepsi is mixed with carbonated water in precise amounts. Thanks to modern technology, every batch is mixed to perfection, ensuring the same taste, carbonation level, and sweetness every time. PepsiCo's commitment to quality extends beyond just flavor. The company places a heavy emphasis on maintaining high standards for hygiene and consistency. Automation is a key factor in reducing the risk of contamination during production. By using machines instead of manual labor for many steps of the process, PepsiCo minimizes the chances of bacteria or other contaminants being introduced into the product. With state-of-the-art technology, PepsiCo ensures that every bottle, regardless of where it's produced, tastes the same. This consistency is what keeps people coming back for more, knowing they can rely on Pepsi to deliver the same refreshing experience every time. Did you know that Pepsi wasn't always the carbonated soft drink we know today? In its early days, it was marketed as a medicinal tonic, promoting energy and digestion. While it no longer makes such claims, Pepsi has certainly earned its reputation as a refreshing drink loved by millions worldwide. Its rivalry with Coca-Cola only adds to its storied legacy in the beverage industry. The peak of Pepsi's production process happens in that moment when you open a can or bottle. The refreshing sound of carbonation, the fizz, and the crisp taste that follows. That first sip is the culmination of all the effort, technology, and innovation that go into every bottle of Pepsi. Pepsi is more than just a beverage. It's a product of years of innovation, commitment to quality, and sustainability. From sourcing the best ingredients to maintaining the iconic taste, every bottle of Pepsi is the result of careful planning and precise execution. But the story doesn't end there. Behind the scenes, PepsiCo is constantly working to reduce its environmental footprint by implementing eco-friendly packaging, reducing water usage, and improving production efficiency. Pepsi's commitment to consistency and quality ensures that every sip, no matter where you are in the world, tastes just as good as the first. And with their continued focus on sustainability, you can enjoy your Pepsi with the knowledge that you're supporting a company that is actively working to make a positive impact on the planet. So the next time you pop open a Pepsi, remember, it's not just a drink. It's a journey of innovation, technology, and care for the environment. If you enjoyed learning about the process behind your favorite Pepsi, make sure to hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth insights into the production of iconic products. We'd love to hear from you. How do you enjoy your Pepsi most? In a bottle, can, or glass? Drop your answer in the comments below.